Hello everybody, welcome to Cory Turner Talks Cars. I'm Cory and I watch way too many car videos. I watch car review videos, I watch history of car shows, history of brand shows, I watch old car memories. I actually would love those videos. What videos do you watch? Be sure to leave that in the comments because I want to know and I want to check them out as well. Now there's one that I watch too much of, and it's a guilty pleasure actually, and I don't know why I watch it as much as I do. Actually I do, but anyway, it's like watching a train wreck, and that's Russian Dashcam videos. I can't help myself, right? I mean, it's like watching a train wreck. It's absolutely sad because, you know, somebody like this guy got hurt. Oh, oh, the airbag, that looked pretty good. But you're also, it's kind of scary to think that as much trust as we put in ourselves when we drive, we probably think we're the best drivers out there in the world, and you might be. Congratulations, I'd like to shake your hand. But we put a lot of faith in the people around us that they are going to do the things they're supposed to do, that they're not going to pull out in front of you or flip your car completely over or smash into the back of you at 30 miles per hour when you stop. So when you think about that, it's a little spooky to think about exactly how much faith we put in the people around us, which should make us realize that we need to make sure, oh, look at that. Is that a Volvo? I think that's a Volvo. Look, he's okay. He looks a little pissed. That we got to make sure that we're paying attention, doing things we need to do. That had to be not paying attention, right? Drifted off to the side. Let's look at that. Drifted off to the side and just clipped that parked car. Boom. Yep, that's exactly right. Probably, I don't know, texting on a call, messing with the radio. Who knows? Something was happening there. But anyway, I watch too many of these videos. I know they're sad because some of them probably hurt in that, but it's also pretty funny and scary and all of that at the same time. So, what videos do you watch? Leave it in the comments. Let me know. I want to make sure I'm watching those. Let's start commenting on those. Maybe we'll start watching those together. Remember to like, comment, and share. I've got new episodes of Name That Car, Picture That Car, and some more car reviews coming soon. Some really cool cars are on their way. So remember to like, comment, and share. Be sure to tag us in your posts. Make sure to share us with your friends. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's talk about cars tomorrow. Woo! Hey, he made it to the shoulder okay. Lucky him. That doesn't happen very often.